Hello everyone. So today's LeetCode challenge is path sum 2. So we have given with a binary tree and our goal is to find the every path which sum will be our target sum. So here as you can see in this example number 1, our target sum is 22. So path that become a 22 is 5, 4, 11 and 2 as same as 5, 8, 4 and 5. So let's jump into the code. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we store our result in a list. So for that we create result list. So res equal to empty list, and after that we check if there is a no root node. So for that, if not root, we return result. After that we store our path in a stack. So for that, stack equal to, we store a root value and we store a root and root value, root dot value. Now we iterate through our stack. So for that, while len of stack is greater than 0, what we're gonna do, we pop the value from stack. So for that, node and path equal to stack.pop. Now we check if not node dot left and not node dot right, and our sum of path becomes target value. Sum of path is equal to target sum. So what we're gonna do, we append the path to our result. So result dot append our path. Now we check if there is any right node remaining. So for that, if node dot right, if it is, what we're gonna do, we just append the right node to our stack. So stack dot append node dot right and the path value of the node. So path plus node dot right dot value, and the same steps go for the left side of the tree. So if node dot left stack dot append node, but instead of right side we gonna append left side, node dot left, and path plus value of left side of our node. So node dot node dot left dot value. Also I forget to add a column here, and then we gonna return our result. So return result. So let's try to copy and paste the code into the site. So let me run the code. Oh, I just misspelled the right. So right, and also here right, and right, and right. Now let's try to run again. Run the code, and here as you can see our code is get accepted. Let's try to submit it. Submit. Yes, our code is get submitted. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Here is a full code.